Harman Kardon has long been a respected name in audio, best known for its high-end car and home speaker systems. Of course, the company's been in the Bluetooth speaker market for a while as well, but only recently stepped into smart speaker territory. The Harman Kardon Allure is the company's latest smart speaker, offering Wi-Fi music streaming and Alexa integration. It has some sexy looks and promises even more attractive sound, but at a price of $250, is it a speaker worth getting? The Allure is indeed quite alluring. The thick, plastic-encased top portion allows the device to emit circling blue hues from within for Alexa, white for music playback, and red when Alexa is muted. The bottom half is covered in a finely textured metal speaker grille, and on bottom is the exposed downward-facing subwoofer. These all add up to a substantial, durable-feeling device whose style will blow away most Bluetooth speakers in this price range. This is not a portable speaker though, and given the heft and power it contains, that's for the best. Up top are touch controls to pause music, adjust volume, or mute the speaker. There are raised dots to help you find the volume controls, but either having backlit buttons or simply raising the buttons would have been helpful for when you can't easily see the top of the speaker. These are minor complaints though on an otherwise elegant and sturdy speaker. Since Amazon's Alexa app can only pair Echo devices, Harman Kardon made a companion app specifically for the Allure called HK Alexa Setup. It's a simple setup to log into your Amazon account and connect to Wi-Fi, but after that the app becomes more or less useless. Sure, you can toggle the ambient light from here and find very quick instructions on how to pair the speaker with Bluetooth devices or connect to a new Wi-Fi source, but that's about it. You'll still need Amazon's Alexa app to control music playback and volume when playing through Amazon Music. Or, of course, you can just connect your phone through Bluetooth and control things from there. The Allure can connect to Wi-Fi bands on 2.4 and 5 GHz and uses Bluetooth 4.2. While the assurances of a Bluetooth 5.0 connection would have been nice to have, we could still make it about 50 feet with a few walls in between before experiencing interruptions in playback, though this could start as early as the 40-foot mark with more movement. As good as this speaker looks is at least as good as it sounds. The 90mm downward-facing subwoofer does its job well, grounding the sound and adding a very pleasing rumble and punch to our music. Highs can get a little messy at top volume, but are otherwise mostly clean and crisp. Generally, we're impressed by the balanced, full-bodied sound profile of the Allure. This 360-degree speaker gets pretty loud too, so even at 75%, you can easily get a room full of people jumping. The Allure also has a 4-mic array for Alexa hot word detection, which does a very good job at picking up on your beckons for the assistant, even from across the room. While it fares much better than other speakers we've seen, which add Alexa but no extra microphones, the Allure will still have a very hard time hearing you over music, even at 50% volume. An instance when we really wish we could summon Alexa from a button in the companion app. Selling for $250, the Harman Kardon Allure packs plenty of value. But depending on your priorities, a portable speaker in the same price range might better suit your needs. This is no doubt a very good-looking device though, so if you're looking for a nice piece to complement a room, then this should fit the bill for most tastes. Much to our delight, it's also packing a solid punch in the audio department. Loud, bassy, and well-tuned, this sound profile will suit a range of listeners. Integrating Alexa with multiple mics means that you can easily replace an Echo device, and with its booming sound and svelte looks, you'll definitely draw some envy while doing so. I'm Corey Gaskin with PhoneArena. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out PhoneArena.com for more coverage on all of these devices.